Good morning. I'm starting my morning with making an omelette. Here I have my cubed onion, red onion. I have green pepper, yellow pepper, red paprika as they call it from here, and I'm going to be making my eggs. So I'll do a spoonful of that, a spoonful of red pepper, a spoonful of green, and a spoonful of yellow pepper. There we go, and a little bit more red. And we have salt, and we have more pepper. I'm adding a little bit of grated cheese on my omelette because I love the taste. Set up the pan and cook our omelette. Let's make some juice from these oranges. It's super windy today and it's also starting to snow, but nevertheless we are still going to be taking our first train ride in 2026, so here we go. think today was the perfect day to pick the train because it's also snowing, as you can tell, so slowly starting to pile up, and soon I'm gonna show you how it looks like because yeah, it's gonna be a lot. So enjoy the ride. I hope you are having fun because I am having fun. I am enjoying these train journeys. I mean, maybe I'm gonna take a longer journey with the train, of course, yeah, with some guidance, and we can enjoy some more, yeah. First impressions using the train in Belgium. I love it. It's clean, it's neat, it's quiet, and I love it. It was easy to take the tickets. We bought the tickets and we boarded the train. It was on time, and it's cozy. Yeah, I would definitely do this more, especially if I'm traveling longer journeys. This is fun, and soon we are in another province. We are from Limburg and we are going to Antwerp, so we're gonna have fun. In the meantime, enjoy the ride. It's snowing heavily, and yeah, we're gonna alight in the next station where we're gonna do a little bit of shopping, coffee, and all that jazz. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys with us, so come along and let's have fun. Ndakiona kinya snow. Oh, yeah. It has really snowed, but we have had a lot of fun shopping and actually also, yeah, being rained on for sure. And yeah, perfect day with perfect company. We had lots and lots of fun, and now it's time to get back home. So let's go. Finally snowed. Hmm? Oh, our car is frozen. Woohoo. Today was a perfect day to get out. It is messy, yes, but we had all the fun and we enjoyed shopping. We also had time to even coffee hop and mostly just enjoy each other's company. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed with us because we really did, and we can't wait to take you to another adventure. It's the next day and it's still frozen. We are going to the tennis club to just have a match of tennis, and then later tomorrow maybe we can go to the Netherlands and do a little bit of shopping, and I'll take you guys with us. Good morning, guys. It's another day and we are headed to the Netherlands. We are going shopping, and mostly we are just taking a drive to go check what there is. There are so many discounts everywhere, so we want to check out some farm tools for our garden and anything else like some home decor items if we find. And yeah, we will take you guys with us, so let's go and see what we find. Very weird. Why is it singing? Buy one without the lights in it. Yeah. Yeah. We did this with hands. Time for some cappuccino, some tomato soupy cappuccino, cheese bread, and yum yum yum. Oh, lekker. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.